guys, this video is about the use of English in the FCE text exam. This specific part has 22 questions divided in 3 parts. The first one is the part 5, which has multiple choice type of questions, as we know, as always, like a text and then some questions. The options are divided in A, B, C, and D. We have 6 questions in this part, and 8 minutes, like more or less. And this part each question has a value of 2 points per question. Then we have the part C, which is gap text, which consists in a text that has some gaps, and those gaps have a number. After that, we have like some paragraph divided into letters, and we have to choose which paragraph fits the best for each gap. Again, we have 6 questions, 8 minutes, and 2 points per question. And finally, we have the part 7, which is multiple matching. This part consists in some statements which have to be like those statements are followed by a text or some short text, and we have to connect any statement with a part of the text or the short text. We have 10 questions for 14 minutes, and here we have 1 point per question, and that will be it. Like, I have some general suggestions for you. I would say that a good suggestion or a good idea is to read first the questions, just the question, not the options. Why? Because if you read the question and then you read the text, while you're reading the text, you will have some idea of what are you looking for, what you should like highlight or take into account. My next suggestion is like to highlight the text. It's important because it helps you to find like easily the specific information that you need when you're like finally answered the questions. I would say that also a good idea is to answer previously. What I mean with this is like, okay, you have a question and you have 4 choices. Don't read the choices. Just like try to have a clear idea in your mind of what the answer is, and then when you're reading the options or the letters that you have, you will know what you are looking for. Then my next suggestion is to trust in your own knowledge. Most of the time, and that's completely normal, we choose one option or one option, and then like we start like having doubts and we change it. That's like a complete I would say that that's not a good idea. Most of the times that first choice that we made was the correct one. And look for meaning. When you're reading a text and someone is asking you questions about this, of course they are not going to use the same exact words that they use in the text. They're going to use like synonyms or things like that. I mean, it's the same idea or the same meaning with other words. So don't look for the exact words, but look for the meaning. And that will be it. Thank you. Bye.